So everyone has AI now, right? It's like coming out like at a rapid pace. And you never know what's coming out next week. And it doesn't even matter because it's not about the tools. It's about the creativity and the innovation and the knowledge of using them properly with complete system builds. Now, you can't have broken or incomplete automations because all that's going to do is create more work for you. I've seen people even over automate, and come on, that's a complete mess. So that's exactly what I help my clients avoid. I'm Elizabeth Alexandra, and I was fortunate enough to start my tech career with Comcast back when broadband first came out. And I started out as a temp and quickly worked my way up to regional manager for the whole state of New Jersey. And that foundation right there is what led me in the experience of tech, marketing, and systems management that makes me a great freelancer that I am today. So now, fast forward, and I find myself here on Upwork, and I love it. But I actually started back when it was Odesk, and now 15 years later, here I am, and they recently featured me as one of the top 3 AI automation freelancers, and I am so thrilled about it. Was really happy to get that notice, and check it out. I'm on their Upwork website. So let me share a couple projects that I have been working on recently, and one of them was called Metolius AI, and I was the project manager and developer, and this was a white label platform. It's a multi-tenant, so it allows businesses to sell AI subscriptions to their clients for their specific niche. Now, from Metolius came one of their clients that wanted more than just a chat interface. They wanted a political intelligence command center. They wanted full-blown dashboard with advanced AI visuals. I worked on an intelligence map, just connecting the dots in the political realm and putting them all together in real time. So there are feeds coming in and, putting together what Trump's truth socials really mean. And, and it doesn't matter who the president is. This is evergreen they want. So, that was definitely a challenge, but I love challenges, and me and my team, we managed to achieve it. And how did I do that? I synced multiple agents to share the same knowledge base and RAG retrieval systems. So the entire command center worked together as like one coordinated system. Now let's get into some GoHighLevel. I worked for a particular white label company in GHL, and from what I've heard, they're winning awards at GHL conventions and everything. So I'm really happy for them. And what I did for them is I built automation workflows, funnels. I did email and SMS campaigns, and some custom AI agents, voice and conversational AI, and the list goes on. So basically anything you can do in GHL, I did. Just to get into how I like to work. I start my projects with a Miro board. So it's almost like a visual, it's a blueprint for me, so that I can sit there and avoid any gaps or errors that could occur. Because when you're building these things, in your head, you know what you want the customer to do and where you want them to go and what you want them to click on, but they don't always do that. For example, I had one customer do 2 different emails for the same thing, and it took us a little bit to figure it out, but I figured it out. So that's how I like to build my automations out, so that you can see the variables that could happen and what customers could do, and to avoid that before anything goes into production. So now let's get into something a little bit more complex. I also build perplexity type AI computers. And if you don't know what that means, that's okay. I'll try and break it down a little bit real quick for you. It's isolated cloud environments built specifically for AI agents with browser access. So like they can control your keyboard, your cursor. You can pre-install tools, which is amazing. I'm talking tools like Hermes, Codex, Claude Cowork, and connect them directly into the client systems. So it's great. Everything in one secure, synchronized place. It's beautiful, and it gets me excited. It actually gives me goosebumps. It's really the way to go for serious AI automation. So I know I've thrown a lot at you, so let me just close with this. When you factor in my experience with Comcast, my marketing experience with them, and my 15 years of work here on Upwork, and I'm one of the top 3 AI automation freelancers on here, I'm going to build you something that's going to sell. And my feedback on here is 100%, and I know you're going to be happy with the results that I bring to the table. So the way I prioritize my clients, and you're not just hiring a freelancer, you're hiring a true technical partner. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Hit me up and let's work together.